Actually, I became a patient of Dr. Livesay's through family connections. I had known Dr. Livesay actually all of his life, and I was aware of his practice. And so naturally, when I came back to Louisville and I had any sort of dental problems at all, I sought out his advice first of all. I had a problem with one of my few remaining teeth that I had at the time on the upper part of my mouth, and it was a bad tooth that happened to be involved in a very complicated bridge combination. And so Dr. Livesay very skillfully was able to remove that tooth without disturbing any of the other dental work that was up there, and also place an implant back in that same little spot, and he did so well that from that point on I knew that I had a good oral surgeon that I could depend on. Everything surrounding the experience, psychologically, everything was taken care of, and the entire operation, not just the oral surgeon himself, but the entire operation just was perfect. I couldn't imagine any experience like that being made any easier than they did. I was convinced that the all-on-4 surgery was the perfect answer for me, partly because I had already had implant surgery on the bottom before, and it was, even though it was not, it had been like 10 years earlier, so it was not the same level of technology, but it was the same concept, and it had worked for me before. And so when I was presented by Dr. Livesay with this choice of types of surgery, it immediately, I was immediately sold on that process, and I was not disappointed. Since I had the all-on-4 surgery, and once I got through the temporary situation where I had to be careful with what I ate, and where I had to come back in and have it adjusted, etc., etc., from the point that the permanent teeth were placed, I have not had a moment's problem, and it's just, well, it's almost as if I have my own teeth. I would definitely recommend Dr. Livesay's practice to any and everyone. In fact, there have been already have been occasions where I have done just that.